Chase, did you grab her? Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I'm just saying you should check out all my socials linked below. But anyways, I'm so sorry for the doggy snores in the back. But anyways, today's video is kind of exciting because Paige actually got her own house and today we'll be checking it out. I do plan on doing a bunch more videos with Paige, so honestly stay tuned because I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna really enjoy that. But anyways, my videos will start being more summary, so also stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so we're actually waiting for Paige to go and see her house, and honestly I'm super excited because she does have really good taste. Already, I just finished cleaning my house so it's clean. I'm gonna knock. Oh, there's Paige. I guess it's time for us to go now. Chase, did you not grab Ren? Oh my god, I totally forgot you told me to. That's actually so annoying. Now we're literally gonna be late. I was getting the kids ready and I thought he was gonna grab her. She was just taking a nap. She's all ready, time to go back. Now let's leave. I was just about to leave, actually.
I'm sorry, but Chase, I told him to grab her and he didn't, so I had to run and grab her.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, let's go see my house. Already, here's the pool area, which is where you come in, but there's not a lot of rooms, so let's go somewhere else. This is so nice. Also, this must have been really expensive.
Paige has some moolah.
Yes, actually, Paige does have some moolah.
I love that you have a pool.
You guys can use it anytime. Aw, thank you, Paige. I'm really impressed with this. Well, do you guys want to see the rest of the house? Yeah, duh, of course. Okay, let's go. I rate this couch a 10 out of 10. Geez, you're already rating my furniture? Oakley, why do you look like that right now?
Would we be able to sleep over?
Yeah, of course. We would just have to double check with Mom, though. No worries, they can stay over literally whenever. Alrighty then we'll make plans for sure. Come on, guys, let's see the kitchen already. Whoa, this is actually so nice. Thank you, I redesigned it. I actually love it, too. Anyways, would you guys want to see the bathroom now, or? Yeah, that works with us.
I'm gonna take a fruit.
Already, here is my bathroom. Wow, it's so nice. Actually, it's kind of basic, though.
Do you have a bedroom in your house?
Yeah, I do. Let me go show you it. Ren's gonna cry any minute. Oh my god, I absolutely love this room. That's good because it cost me so much money.
That bed looks so comfortable.
Well, you're definitely right, Oakley. I love this house so much. Yeah, you did such a good job, like, hands down you did. Aw, thank you. You guys can come over whenever, like I said. That's so nice. I appreciate that so much, Paige. And here is when Ren started crying. I am so sorry, but Ren's crying now. No, I totally get it. You gotta go. Thanks, Paige. I'll come by later. Already, that's the end of today's video. I am so shocked. I absolutely love her house. I think she did such a good job, but she definitely has my decorating style. But anyways, if you watched all the way to this part, comment down below a flower emoji. Shout out goes to the person on this screen. But anyway, comment down below your favorite room in Paige's house. Also, again, I'm so sorry for the talking and like the air condition in the background. But anyways, you look so amazing today. Happy Pride Month. I will be doing a special for that also. Bye, Tocas.